Hello everybody, Belinda here. Welcome back. So I haven't put up any videos recently. I've been having a little bit of R&R, and so I've been wanting to do this one. So this is a 36 centimeter 14 inch by 14 inch. So I've been wanting to put this up for the last week or so. I never really got there. So I have white, so run through the colors quickly. I have a very dark red here. I've added a little bit of black. You can see the consistency as well. I wanted a very deep, almost burgundy red. Here I have a much lighter, brighter red, almost to the point of orange really. And this is the Deco Art 24 karat gold. It's not the extreme sheen. I don't get that here in New Zealand. And to it, as you can see, hopefully the camera is picking that up, it's more of like a champagne color with a gold tinge. So there I've added a little bit of both of these colors. Right, so hopefully this will work out the way I would like it to. So let's get cracking and see what magic we can get from this cup. So I'm trying to avoid using far too much white. So I'm just layering all my colors. Actually, I might leave that little bit for the top. And hopefully you'll have enough paint here. Okay. Okay, into the last of the red. It's more like a burgundy. That should do it. Add the last of this bright red. So I have a little feeling that I'm not going to have enough paint. That would be sad, right? Okay. And I'm going to pour a puddle in the center. I'm just looking at my cups and I'm thinking, maybe I need to get different cups. Looks like I'm sponsoring the All Blacks, or they're sponsoring me, which is not true. Right, so I'm just moving that white around. And get that all in line. Righty ho. Let's go. Beautiful cup. There's no silicone or satin enamel in my paint. So I'll just give that a torch. Lots of bubbles. Oops. And I'll use the rest of this just to pour around the edges, so I've got something for it to move on. Okay, so I'm going to just move it around in circles. I was actually hoping for a bit more white in there. Thinking that I didn't really need too much white, but looking at it now, I probably could have used a bit more. Right, let's give that another little torch. And now I'm going in with some of this gold. Well, it's more like a champagne. Okay, that should be enough. Bring it back quick. Let's go with this side here. And bring it back. Just taking that over the edge. Let me get that off. and bring it back. And hopefully you'll have enough paint to get over this edge. It's a bit of a stretch. And bring it back. Okay, I'm just having a look at my composition. So I might just want to bring that back a little bit. Okay. I'm going to give this another torch, and then I'm going to touch up the sides and I'll bring you in for a close-up. Right, let's torch this. Let's see if I'm going to get any more of these pearl cells popping up around here. I like them, but I don't like it when it takes over everything. And I'm a little surprised that I've got all these other cells going on here. Again, you know, it could just be different paints that I've used. So the paints, it's called the Rayleigh-Taylor effect, so the paints actually rub together and create cells. Okay, I'm going to let this sit for about 5 minutes and then I'll bring you in for a close-up. Right guys, so this is it. I'm loving the champagne pearl cells, and I really like the way this turned out. Very pretty. It has so many cells everywhere. I don't know what's going on lately, me and all these cells, but they do look gorgeous anyway. And I love the way the two different reds mingle. And looky there, isn't that lovely? It's like two coming together. Really is beautiful. All the pearl cells. Look at that there. It's almost like, I don't know, two wings or something merging, holding each other. It's really cool. So this is my Valentine's pour. And I really hope you guys enjoy it. And thank you so much for all your comments, sharing, subscribing, and liking. Do appreciate that. And I really love the centerpiece here. It's almost like a smaller version with the two colliding or holding together like that there. But a smaller version. Hey guys, I think I'll show you from the other angle. So yeah, I really like that. Quite different and unique. Okay guys, thanks again. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.